For you, Lord, are the most high over all the earth. You are exalted far above all gods. Psalm 97 verses 9. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Happy Sunday, family. Today we are going to make a very delicious light soup with beef and tilapia fish. As you already know, there should be some soup and fufu on a very fine Sunday like this. There's a very secret ingredient that I love to share with you on this recipe, so please kindly stay tuned and let's get started. Here are all the listed ingredients that is also available in the description box with it right quantity. There's one major secret ingredient in this recipe that is going to make it worth the try. That is momone. That is the salted fermented fish for that umami flavor. You are going to be blown away if you add it to this recipe. Now let's begin by boiling all our vegetables. I have here habanero pepper, some carrots for that colorful and delicious taste, some tomatoes, and I do have some zucchini serving as garden eggs or eggplant here, and I also added a little touch or turkey berries, which is going to also add lots of flavor to the soup. Once done, I'm going to now blend all my blendables or marinate. I'm adding some onions, ginger, red bell peppers, aniseed, and rosemary, a bit of water, and then I blend it nice and smoothly. This is the same marinade I'll be using for my tilapia fish as well, and I'll add a little salt to it and allow this to rest until we are in need of it. Just put it in the fridge. It marinates really well. Okay, so let's start by making our base of the soup. For this soup, it is very important to make sure you select the protein of choice. My protein of choice today is my beef, and it gives it that delicious taste. I even added some Tolo beef in here as well, and some cow stomach to this as well. I mean, the taste is absolutely incredible. I now added my marinade and some salt. Make sure I stir everything together and covered it until everything is nice and steamed in here. Please be gentle with the water. Not just yet, don't add any water yet. Cover it, allow it to steam on its own so that it will be able to release its own juices, and it makes the stock and the whole soup extra delicious. Okay, so after 7 minutes of cooking, this is what we got, and it's absolutely so flavorful. It is smelling so good. The aroma is so amazing. So the meat needs extra water for it to cook tenderly. So I'm going to add the stock that I used in cooking, or the water that I used in cooking the vegetables. It has lots of great content. We do not want to discard that. So I just went ahead to add that to it. And I'm going to also add about 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato paste for that rich and vibrant color, and it also adds lots of taste to it as well. I'm going to go ahead and stir everything gently together and then add my secret ingredient, which is not secret anymore, which is our momone. That is our fermented cured fish. It is so amazing in the soup. It just changes the aroma and the taste for you. It just feels right at home. It's just so amazing, and I made it at home too, and I'm going to share the link here so that you can make it at the comfort of your home. It is absolutely easy to make your own fermented cured fish. Okay, and we are making light soup, so we want the soup texture and everything to be extra light and very easy to sip on. So I'm going to add extra more water here, about 2 liters of water. Yes, that much, so that you just allow it to bubble up and boil up. This process also helps the meat to release extra flavors, and it also helps it to be nice and tender, so we'll be able to enjoy it. Okay, allow it to boil for the next 5 to 15 minutes. You see how the soup is boiling? Very demure, very mindful. That is exactly what we need. If I tell you the maximum flavors that is coming up, you will be blown away, and the richness of the color is just amazing. So now it's perfect time for me to blend all my vegetables and add it back to the soup. We are almost getting done with this soup. It is very easy. The steps are very easy to go by. You cannot fail with this recipe at all. It is so delicious. Gently stir everything together, and then there is one ingredient that we've not added yet, which is the tilapia fish. So I'm going to go ahead and drop them in. Drop them that they belong here. They truly belong in this soup. So I'm going to drop each and every one here. It's very well marinated and seasoned. So yes, it's the perfect time for me to add it here. We only have about 7 minutes ish for this soup to be ready. Okay, so allow it to gently boil. Added some basil leaf for that extra fresh flavor and fragrance, and boy oh boy, we are done. If you want extra peppers, please go ahead and add it here for that garnishing. And here my fufu was definitely ready, and it was time for me to just serve and enjoy. This fufu was nicely made with fresh plantain and some fufu powder, which I've also shared the recipe here. As you already know, I'm always generous with sharing recipes. So I'm going to link it here and below as well. Please kindly check it out. You will love it so much. We love fufu, but please let's be mindful of the portion. It is so nice not to see big bowl of fufu. Okay, so be mindful of it. Make it nice and cute, and go ahead and serve your guests, serve yourself, and enjoy a very fine Sunday afternoon. If you really enjoyed this recipe, please kindly give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, because you know what, sharing is caring. You do not have to keep it all to yourself. Okay, this soup really goes well with some plain rice as well. If you're not a fufu lover, you can pair it with some rice and you'll be good to go. So there you have it. We are absolutely so happy with this soup. It came out so delicious, and we really enjoyed ourselves. There you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly again share it to your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.